Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Husnain Arif. In today's video we are going to learn how to find golden keywords with Google Trends. Yes, if you have visited our channel before, then you already know that what is Google Trends and how you can use Google Trends to find interesting content ideas for your blog or your website. In today's video we are going to learn how to find golden keywords with Google Trends. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit trends.google.com, and at the home page you are going to see there are lots of queries already been shown to you, and from here you can change the geolocation and you can select the country for which you want to find the interesting keyword ideas, and that can help you bring in interesting keywords for your content. So I have already selected United States, and if I see that there are currently showing that out of 6, 3 examples are being shown. One is football, American football, World Cup, and Taylor Swift. So if I move the cursor, I can see that there are other interesting keywords content being shown over here. So to help you get started, we can input any system and get interesting keyword ideas. So let's start with insurance companies review. So as you can see that it is showing us that this keyword during the last 12 months in United States has got good amount of searches, and you can see the whole graph as well, and you can also see that there is a sudden dip in the graph during the last few months. And if I scroll down, you can see that it is showing us in which states people are searching for that specific term, and it is also going to show you some golden keywords as well. As you can see that it is showing that policy genius reviews, so people are searching for policy genius and they are interested to know more about policy genius. So this is one content idea that you can start off and start working and writing your content about policy genius and policy genius review, and you can see lots of leads coming towards your website or your blog site. So this is one related query, and if I select top queries, it is going to show me that people are searching for best home insurance companies, best life insurance companies, and here you can see that policy genius review is also already over there. So these are the three interesting keyword ideas that you can select and start on writing content about the different insurance companies and different life insurance companies, and you are going to see good lot of traffic coming towards your website. To get things more specific and more accurate, we can select the time frame. We can select what people are searching for in the last 30 days, and here you can see the graph of the queries and you can see the states as well, but you can see that for that specific keyword we cannot see any specific term being shown by the Google Trends. So instead of doing that, just write insurance and let's see what it shows us. As you can see that people are really searching for the word insurance in the past 30 days in United States, and you can see that the states region is also flooded with lots of different states showing up, and you can see that there are very specific and long tail keywords being shown over here. You can see life insurance without medical exams proud, critical illness insurance proud life insurance, and similarly they are showing us at least 23 queries that the people are searching for. And you can see that the percentage sign showing that how much that specific keyword is popular in the general public. As we move on and scroll above, and you can see that the percentage is dropping down because these are not that much popular. But if we go towards the first 5 keywords queries, you can see that these are the most popular one. Here you need to understand the difference between the breakout and the percentage sign. The breakout means that this specific query is already very popular in the general public and people are searching for that specific keyword. So you can take this keyword and write content account accordingly, and you can see that many people will start to come up to your website. And if you have an affiliate website, you can see many people giving you leads as well. And here from, if you change from rising to top, you will see that the keywords has changed. Now you can see people are searching for car insurance, life insurance, health, auto and home insurance. So these are basically the sub niches that people are searching for, insurance being the main niche. And in insurance you can see car insurance, life insurance, health, auto and home insurance being the sub niches. So this is how easy it is for you to start writing content. If you already have a website and you are already covering one specific niche, you can try dividing your content into sub niches and try to accommodate these search query ideas that you get from Google Trends into your content. And in this way you will get good search traffic, and if you write good interesting content you can rank in the top 10 search results as well. So what if I don't enter any search term and just hit the enter button? Now it is going to show us what people are really searching for in the United States in the past 30 days. You can see the search queries 1 to 5, and you can see the percentage, the number of popularity they are getting in the general public. All this data is a live data being taken from the Google search and being shown to you. And similarly we can move from rising to top, and in the top you can see people are searching for weather, news, even Google as well, Amazon and Wordle. And here you can get an idea about the topics that the people are searching for, and in this topic you can then segregate your content accordingly. So we'll find very interesting ideas about content writing. And similarly, if you go back and write our own search term, you are going to find the long tail keywords. These are the golden keywords that you can write content on, and you can see your website flooding with traffic on daily basis. How to find golden keywords with Google Trends, and you can easily take it to the next level, choose the different options and keep on moving ahead. So thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you get all the notification whenever we upload any new video. Thank you again.